I hope you're having a great Sunday. Well, a lot of people are reaching out to me and saying, Luke, so we have a lot of time at home. What can we do to maintain our health? What can we do to improve our health? Because on other days we're going to office, we come home too late from work. We have, so many responsibilities of, taking the kids to school, waking up early in the morning, coming back late at night. So what we can do, the first step to improving your sleep, because let me repeat this over and over again, it is medically and scientifically proven the impact of sleep on your immune system. Now, there are several things that we can do to improve our sleep, but the one thing that we can do, which is inexpensive, it's free, and it has so many benefits, not just health, but it makes us feel good, it makes us look better, our skin, our hair, and our energy levels. That's sleep. Immune system equals quality sleep. So what we can do, since most of us are self-quarantined, since most of us are not going to work anymore, we're going to be at home, we have the luxury of time. What we need to have is smart planning. Now, when you make a lifestyle change, you don't have to do it by compromising things. If you want to watch that movie, you want to be on Netflix, all of that can still happen, but you plan it into your day. The one tip that I'm going to leave you with for better sleep, because sleep equals immunity, is over the next 7 days, because we're at home and we can do this. One of the best ways to improve our sleep, if we're sleep deprived, if we're insomniac or whatever it is to train the body into the circadian rhythm of sleep. What this simply means is select a time. It could be 9:30, it could be 10, it could be 10:30, 11. Of course, the hours before midnight are really beneficial for your health and your body when it comes to sleep. Let's say we select 10:30. For the next 7 days, no matter what, you go to sleep, you be in bed by 10:30. So you plan your day, hopefully you're having an early dinner with sunset, you watch your television, spend your family time before bed, you spend your 15 or 20 minutes meditating in prayer or whatever it is. 10:30, lights out, get into bed if that's the time that you selected. And now you sleep every day at 10:30 for the next 7 days, no matter what. The first day you may be just lying awake in your bed, that's fine. Don't get up, don't switch on the light, don't put on your phones. Your phone should be off, your Wi-Fi should be off, your phone should be out of your room. Stay in bed. You may be looking up at the ceiling, your eyes wide open, that's okay. The second day, the same thing may happen. The third day, you will slowly start to see that you're falling asleep. You see, we follow a circadian rhythm, and because it's disrupted, because every day we sleep at different timings, our body's confused. But we can use the next couple of days to retrain the body into a sleep cycle. And that by far is one of the most powerful tools for even insomniacs and everyone else. It's free, it's inexpensive, it doesn't cost you any money, it just costs you a little bit of self-discipline. So like I said, use this time that you're going to be in self-quarantine well, use it effectively, use it to make habits, lifestyle changes, select that time and go to bed at the same time every single day. Realign yourself with nature. That's what this whole virus is allowing us to do. There's the bad side, and then there's the silver lining with which we can learn from and make lifestyle changes. So the same time every day for the next 7 days, and I can guarantee most people would have fixed their sleep. You'll wake up earlier automatically without an alarm clock, because your biological clock works with circadian rhythms of nature. Sunlight, sunrise, and sunset, and that's the way we need to live. Have a great evening, everyone. Until next time, eat smart, move more, sleep right, and breathe deep.